welcome to Horror Stuff. Today I wanted to show you the MEZCO Beetlejuice vinyl rotation figure. If you haven't seen the movie Beetlejuice, you need to watch this. This is a really funny horror comedy, and the main character is Beetlejuice in the middle here. And he is played by Michael Keaton, and the other actors are Alec Baldwin and Gina Davis. And it's about a couple that dies in an accident, and they become ghosts, and they do everything to drive out the new family that has taken over their home. And the main character in the movie Beetlejuice is Beetlejuice, which I'm going to show you and unpack right now. I rarely unpack my figures because I like to display them in their original boxes, but with vinyl figures I do an exception because, as you can see, they don't display very good in the boxes. You can barely see the figure, so I like to unpack these. But yeah, I can show you the box, the front here, the back, MEZCO. I really love the brand MEZCO. They make really cool figures. I have a couple of them. Mainly Child's Play dolls and vinyl figures, and they're really detailed and very authentic looking, I think. So let's unbox this, and I'll show you the figure. So here it is in the in-packing material. Let's take it out. Here you have it. Now if you can see the details. There you go. Back. And you can move the head side to side, and you can move it up, but not down very much. And the hands, you can turn them around like this, as you want it. The arms up and down, and back. The feet, you can move all the way around, and the legs are just you can't move the legs. You can turn the lower body, but not very much, not all the way around. So yeah, that's it. That's all you can do with it. So actually the hair, I think the hair is too green on the figure. Otherwise it looks real good. But as you can see on the movie, his hair is not that green. I don't know if you can see it here. It's too much glare. There. It's more a dirty, darker color. It has a little green and black and gray in it, but it's not that bright of a green color. So I think they did the hair way too green, because it's not that bright in the movie. But anyway, I really like the figure, and it's gonna be a great addition to my collection. New Beetlejuice from MEZCO. They have a larger version. I think this one is about 13 inches. I'm not sure. Doesn't say here. I think it's 13 inches. They have a larger version that's more like in the size of the Chucky doll. You see here, this is much larger. And I have this version too, but it's much more expensive, and I didn't have room for the big version, so I bought the small version instead. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care!